Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a daily clean with me. This is what I do pretty much every single day. I usually do it in the morning, but today I decided to do it during Presley's nap just so I could get it done way faster. And this probably only takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to do. So I just think this is just the easiest way to keep your house super tidy and clean every single day. So the first thing I like to tackle is just the kitchen. I like to wipe down all the counters and then take care of dishes if there is any. At this time, I actually didn't even do the dishes the night before. I totally forgot, so then I had to do the dishes this morning and then just let them air dry through the day. And then also I'm just wiping all the appliances down. I don't normally do this part every single day, but today it was just one of those things that I just wanted to get done.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We're gonna do it like they do in the movies. We're gonna ride into the sunset, just you and me. Songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
And then today I thought I would just clean out the Keurig. I don't do this too often. I don't drink coffee. My husband is the only one who does it. So I just cleaned everything out, and then I also sprayed it down, and then I'm just emptying out old food from the kitchen. And then now I'm just going to put everything away and I'm just tidying up is what I'm doing. I'm just making sure everything is clean, and it just makes me so happy. Even if I don't clean the floors or mop, I still feel like if everything is just picked up, your house looks clean no matter what. And then I'm just going to be cleaning the sink with this Let Me Shine dish soap. I have never actually used this before, but I got it on sale for under $1. So I bought a bunch of these, and they do smell really good. So I wasn't too upset with them at all. And I don't hand wash dishes a whole lot, so it just works for what I use it for.
They can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rock.
And then next I just tackle the dining room table. This is always such a mess just because we do a lot at the table. We do crafts, and we always have breakfast and stuff in the morning, and the girls always bring something to the table to play with. And then this is from Halloween, so I'm just picking up everything from that day.
They don't know, we'll never know. Hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come.
And then I probably wipe down the table probably 1 to 2 to 3 times a day because it's just so disgusting. Every time I feel like Presley eats, she just gets everything all over. And then I'm just wiping down all the chairs as well because we have a cat that likes to sit on here, and they are just disgusting sometimes. So I just like to just clean this all up.
We can lay low, say it like we're never gonna leave. We're gonna do it like they do in the movies. We're gonna ride into the sunset, just you and me. We're gonna sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We're gonna do it like they do in the movies.
And then now I'm just taking what little Halloween decorations we have, and then I do have a big giant box I'm just maybe going to keep up for a little while just so I can put some of my fall decor in there as well. But it's just a couple, I think I only had 3 Halloween decorations I actually put out this year, so I was just putting those away since Halloween is all over with.
The movies.
And then moving on into the living room, I'm just cleaning up toys and picking things up. This is what our house normally looks like. I know a lot of people that watch my cleaning videos always say, your house always looks so clean, and it's definitely not, you guys, but I just try to pick up as I go through the day. And this is seriously like my daily routine. This is what I do every single day. I've been trying to kind of not do so much in one day. So I've been like dusting one day and then like doing windows one day just so I don't have a full load, and it's really helped, and it's not as overwhelming as trying to like clean all day or clean everything every single day. Like this has made things so much easier on myself. And now since it is November, this is probably what my living room is going to look like most days. I'm already started Christmas shopping, so we are getting tons and tons of boxes in the mail. I am so excited that we are finally getting Christmas gifts. I cannot wait to start wrapping and putting up our tree, but that is going to wait till after Thanksgiving. We always wait till after Thanksgiving to do that.
You and me were shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs.
And then I'm still in the living room and I'm just tidying everything up. And yes, I did get Christmas pillows out, but I just throw them in the closet and I felt like they were starting to get ruined and I did not want them to start getting squished. So yes, I did put Christmas pillows out with my fall decor, and it's just going to stay like that. Like I said, I just don't want them getting ruined.
We gon' do it like they do in.
And then now I just like to spray and wipe everything down in this bathroom. This is our most used bathroom. It is the only one we have downstairs, so I do like to wipe this down. We just have toothpaste and like marker or paint all over, so if it's on Presley's little hands, it is all over this bathroom because she thinks she can wash her hands all by herself. So she like climbs up on the toilet and like there is just always marker all over this toilet. But I'm just going to wipe everything down and then like wipe the toilet behind just because like my mop and stuff doesn't get back there, so I do just always do that by hand. And then once in a great while, I do just kind of throw some disinfectant cleaner. This is like an all-purpose by Mr. Clean. So I just always throw that in the toilet just to kind of clean it up just a little bit. And then I am also just wiping all the counters down. I'm just using my Method all-purpose cleaner. I usually use like the bathroom or the anti-bac stuff, but I just use all-purpose cleaner this time. And then just to end this video, this company called Geekoto sent me this ring light just to review it, and I think this one is amazing. The only reason why I'm showing this in the ring light in this video is because I use it through the whole entire thing, and I absolutely love how it worked in our dining room because every single time I try to film a cleaning video, it always messes up, and like my lighting is just always so poor. But one thing that is so cool about this is it comes with a phone holder, so you can put this right onto your ring light, and then if you're not using it, you can just take it right off. My phone is so big and bulky, and it also has one of those little things on the back. I can't remember what they're called. So mine didn't fit very good, but if you just actually film with your phone, I think this is like amazing. So any like YouTuber, photographer, I think this would be really great. You can adjust the brightness and the color temperature with the knobs on the back or the remote control. I just think this is so cool, and it adjusts in so many different ways. It goes into like a 180-degree angle. You can make it taller, you can make it shorter, you can move it all around. I just think this is so awesome, and then you can also move the ring light head to a 180-degree angle. I just think this is so awesome. And I just love that there is a remote control to help you with the lighting. You can also adjust the lighting and then you can turn it on and off with that. I just absolutely love this. And it also comes with a case, so it just folds right up into a case, which I also love that as well. So if you guys do want to check this out, or if you're needing something like this, I will leave the link in the description box below. But it saved my video today, so I was so excited about it. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for watching my daily cleaning routine. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Remember when you said we'd stay together now until forever? Just us, just us.